Hair dyes often contain a number of harmful chemicals that can have damaging side effects to the body. The American Cancer Society warns that both semi-permanent and permanent hair dyes have been shown to penetrate the hair shaft and can increase cancer risk, especially for bladder cancer and blood cancers. Even if the chance of getting cancer from hair dye is low, some chemicals in traditional hair dyes can cause skin irritation and damage your hair. If possible, using natural hair dyes will be safer for your hair and your health in the long run. Coffee is a natural way to darken your hair color, especially if you're looking for an alternative to chemical dyes. As we all know, coffee is usually dark in color, so it can act as a stain on your hair. One of the best ways to cover up gray hair is by using strong black or brown coffee. So go pick up some espresso and do it right. Learning how to dye hair with coffee is fairly easy. You won't need a lot of equipment or products. Simply brew 2 cups of dark coffee or espresso, using twice the amount of coffee grounds you would use for a regular batch. Let the coffee cool, then mix the coffee with conditioner. Apply to your hair as you would any store-bought hair dye, and let it sit for at least an hour. Rinse the mixture out of your hair, and you'll be left with darker, hued locks than before. Apart from being a hair dye, coffee has surprisingly good benefits for hair and scalp health. Here are the benefits of coffee related to hair health. Coffee helps restore hair growth. Hair loss can occur for both men and women as they age. Coffee can be used as an ingredient in a hair scrub to stop hair loss and promote regrowth. Male pattern baldness is caused by a hormone called dihydrotestosterone that disrupts hair follicles. Meanwhile, women with too much dihydrotestosterone can also experience hair loss. Caffeine in coffee has been linked to a stimulatory effect on hair growth, which can help with hair loss and can potentially stop the damage before it gets too severe. A study by researchers in 2007 found that caffeine can block the effects of dihydrotestosterone on hair follicles in males. It stimulates the growth of hair roots as it makes them longer and wider. It also prolongs the duration of anagen, which is the stage of hair growth. The study also found that caffeine had a growth effect on hair follicles in women. Caffeine also stimulates the blood circulation to hair follicles, which can help hair grow faster and become stronger. This gives your hair the appearance of fuller and thicker hair. Coffee promotes softer, shinier hair. Rinsing your hair with coffee can also repair dull hair because it contains high amounts of flavonoids, which are natural antioxidants that promote hair regeneration. Your hair can feel smoother with regular use of coffee. This can be helpful for people with curly hair, which is tough to manage often because the strands are tough and tangled. Caffeine does not remove the oil in the hair. It retains moisture and creates a natural shine. Increased blood circulation helps move nutrients to the hair roots, which helps form healthier and shinier hair. Coffee for scalp exfoliation. Coffee is known to be an excellent exfoliator. Coffee grounds can help exfoliate the scalp and get rid of product buildup, dirt, and grime that has accumulated on the scalp. The benefits of coffee for hair also significantly reduce dandruff, making your hair healthy. A caffeine extract can be helpful for hair. Specifically, it could improve the quality of your hair. Coffee is up to 99% effective at reducing dandruff-causing microbes. Coffee scalp scrub can exfoliate the scalp and stimulate hair growth by clearing away dead skin cells and providing a deep, gentle clean. Coffee overcomes hair loss. One simple way to use coffee for hair is to use it as a hair oil. It can help nourish hair and the scalp. Oiling your hair with coffee oil can also help strengthen hair. Massaging the scalp can stimulate the roots and increase blood circulation, thereby increasing the growth of hair. A strong coffee blend can help strengthen hair, promote hair growth, and nourish the scalp. Coffee as hair cleaner. Dirt and dust attached to the hair make us have to wash it 3 to 4 times a week. Cleaning the hair and scalp with coffee shampoo allows deep cleansing of the hair, while also controlling hair loss and nourishing the hair shaft. That was the benefit of coffee for our hair. If you like a natural, healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to this channel to get other natural, healthy lifestyle information. And if you like this video, please help us grow by sharing it on social media or with people you care about.